For this step, we're going to look at how the serial monitor works and basically just work out how to start it and how to print information to. This is a very simple video. It's just showing very briefly how to get the serial monitor working in Tinkercad. Note that you also have a serial monitor in the IDE. All right, so all we need is an Arduino. We don't need any circuit at all. Just drag that over. There it is. All right, and what we're interested in is the code. So continue. We'll get rid of all of the default code and get rid of the setup there. We don't need any of that since we don't have any circuitry. And what we're going to do is put in a command serial.begin. This line is just going to prepare the serial monitor. And we need another command down in the loop that says serial. Note the uppercase S dot print ln. And let's just put a message in, hello, close brackets. And if we start the simulation now, it seems that nothing will happen. But in actual fact, if we start the serial monitor, which is down the bottom here, you need the code open to get it. You can see hello gets printed over and over again. If we stop the simulation, we change that to goodbye, start the simulation, you'll see goodbye is printed. We can also do things like duplicate the line. So we can Control C, Control V, oops, and do something like that. And you'll see hello and goodbye printing up. You can put a delay in here so it will slow down. So if we stop this, go over here. So this means it should print goodbye, hello, wait 1 second, and then go over and do it again. Right, there it is there. So this is how the serial monitor works.